Good morning, students. The other day I discussed about the meaning of market, the meaning of marketing, and then I discussed the objectives of marketing. And in today's class I am only going to discuss the difference between market and sales. Marketing and sales. So first the meaning of marketing is known to you. Now I am going to discuss about the meaning of sales and all those things. So today's class I am only going to discuss the difference between marketing and sales. And it is very important for the purpose of examination. If you go through the council's question paper, you will notice that so many times, so many years, this particular question has come in the board exam. So this year also, it is an important question for the board examination. So, whenever you will write the differences, I told you first to write point of distinctions or on the basis of, then you write marketing, and then you write sales. And definitely you have to write it in the tabulary form. All the differences you are supposed to write in the tabulary form, meta. And this point of distinction, if you write it, it will be very easy for you to explain on the basis of which point you are differentiate them. So in today's class, I am only going to explain the difference between marketing and sales. First point, meaning. You know the meaning of marketing, so many times I told you. Marketing is the process by which you are motivating the prospective buyers to buy the goods and hire the services. Okay, beta? That is what is called marketing. On the other hand, what is sales? Sales is the process by which the ownership of a product is being transferred after paying money for that. That is what is called sales. How it possible? Like again I am giving you the example, if you go into the marketplace, or if you go on to your Poonam Bhaiya's canteen, and if you want to buy any eatable items or pen or pencil from him, what is happening? First, Poonam was the owner of that particular pencil, and when you have given him the money, Poonam must have handed over the pencil to you. So after paying the money, you become the owner of that particular pencils or not. That is what is basically called sales. So what is happening in sales? The ownership of a commodity is being transferred from one hand to other hand. When? After making the payment of it. That is what is called sales. Second point, orientation. Market basically, they are customer oriented, because marketing is only looks after the difficulties, the problems, the wants of the customer. So marketing only deals with the customer. When I taught you the objective, there I told you the most important objective of marketing to satisfy the customers. How they said, that is why marketing is customer oriented. They only looked after about the customer's problem, difficulties, whatsoever might be. They are only dealing with the customers. They are going to find out from the customers whether they are satisfied with the particular products or not. What more they want in a particular product. What kind of products they want in the market. Everything. That is why marketing is a customer oriented. On the other hand, sales is product oriented. Sales जो आदमी लोग कोई सामान बेचता है बेटा, they are only related with the product what is there with them. So what is that here? Marketing, customer oriented, because they deals with the customer. On the other hand, sales, product oriented, because whatever production is there with them, they will try their level best to convince the customer to buy that particular product, and after paying money. So they are they are product oriented. Then comes scope. Marketing has wide scope. You have right here, marketing has wide scope. Because marketing has wide scope, whichever way they want to explain. They can go to anywhere. If they want to do marketing in a small area, they can do it. If they want to do in their own country, they can do it. If they want to do it all over the world, they can do it. So it has a wide scope. Marketing has a wide scope. On the other hand, sales has a narrow scope because जो products तुम्हारा पास है बेटा, you can only sell those products. You cannot sell any other products what is not with you. तो उतना लिखने का जरूरत नहीं है. What do you write here? Marketing has wide scope, sales has narrow scope. Okay. Next, beginning and end. Marketing starts before the product. Okay, beta? And it is a continuous process. There is no end of marketing. Now you may ask me, sir, how marketing starts before the product? You must have been noticed, beta, before any new products come into the market, first the marketing people do the advertisement about that particular product. They give the information about that particular product. Why? Because by giving this information, they tried their level best to motivate the prospective buyers to buy it. That is why marketing starts or begins before the product, and it is a continuous process. Why it is a continuous process? Because the human beings' wants is unlimited. There is no limitation in the wants of human beings. When the human beings' wants are unlimited, so definitely they have to think about all those things. That is why you can write here, marketing begins before the products, and it is a continuous process. On the other hand, sales starts after the product, and as the ownership is being converted, changed, that what happened to that? Sales ends. Okay, after the exchange of the ownership, sales ends only. So sales starts after the production and it ends with the change of ownership. At last, process. What they are doing basically? Customer, what is marketing? Marketing is the process of customers' needs. Whatever the customers want, they basically do that needs of customer. They process about the needs of the customer into products and services. Again, I'm telling what the process, what the marketing is doing. They find out the needs of the customers, and after finding out the needs of the customers, that particular needs they convert it into product or service. That is what they say process. What way they want. What again I'm telling what the marketing doing? Marketing first go to the people. They find out from the customers what kind of product, what kind of services they want. According to the need of the customers, the product and service is being done or it is being converted according to their need. On the other hand, what is the process of sales? They convert the product and service into cash. What they are doing sales? Whatever product, whatever service you are having, when you are providing, giving the product to someone else or providing the service to someone else, what you are doing it? You are converting those products or those services into cash. So once more, what is the process what they do? Marketing convert the needs and wants of the customers into product. What is marketing? Marketing converts the needs and wants of the customer into product or services. On the other hand, in case of sales, they convert the product or the services into cash. These are the most important differences between marketing and sales. So whenever a 5 marks question comes, you are supposed to write 5 differences. And you must know whenever you are going to write the differences, it has to be written in the tabulary form, in the column form. Okay, beta? Don't write in the paragraph form. If you write in the paragraph form, definitely you are not going to get the good marks. Okay? So this is enough. So once more, marketing and sales. What is the point of distinction? Most important, meaning, orientation, scope, beginning and end, and process. I hope I made it clear to you in today's class. So thank you so much.